Let's see how quick you can give me the answer of this multiplication. 13 multiplied by 17. I am giving you 5 seconds. So the answer is 221. Those who got the answer right, congrats. And those who is still counting, don't worry, I will show you a method today. By using that trick, you will also able to count this kind of numbers faster than you think by using only your brain. So let's start. We are using 10 as our base because 10 is the nearest number of what we are multiplying in here. Let's put it into action. So the difference between 10 and 13 is plus 3, and the difference between 10 and 17 is plus 7. Then you can either add 13 plus 7 or 17 plus 3. Both will give you the same answer. So 13 plus 7, 20, and 17 plus 3, 20. So that was our first step. Second step, to multiply these two. So 3 into 7, 21. I think you already figured it out that where we are going from here. So 13 plus 7, 20. And as our base is 10, so 200. And 3 into 7 equal to 21. Now add them, 221. To make it more clear, let's do some examples. Now pause the video and try to find the output of these multiplications. When you are ready, click on play. So our first one is 19 multiplied by 21. So the difference between 10 and 19 plus 9, and 10 and 21 plus 11. Here our answer is 399. How? 19 plus 11, 30, or 21 plus 9, also 30. So 19 plus 11, 30, 9 into 11, 99. So 300 plus 99, 399. Why 300? Because our base is 10. Listen carefully for the second one. The difference between 10 and 9 is 1. And as 9 is less than 10, so minus 1. And the difference 18 and 10 plus 8. So let's see the answer. 162. Let's find out the calculation. So 18 minus 1, 17, or 9 plus 8, also 17. So 17. Minus 1 into 8 equal to minus 8. Because we know plus minus equal to minus and minus minus equal to plus. So 18 minus 1 equal to 17, and 9 plus 8 equal to also 17. So 170 as our base is 10 minus 8 equal to 162. Let's calculate the third and the easiest one. So we have plus 5 plus 5. So 15 plus 5, 20. 5 into 5, 25. So 200 plus 25 equal to 225. 15 plus 5, 20, 5, 25. 200 plus 25 equal to 225. This video is part of my math tips and tricks. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe for more contents. And if you have any question or any confusion about this process, please comment below and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.